Hello, my friends. There are two things that I think you need to know about this at-home elliptical machine before you buy it. But before I get to those two things, I just want to show you the features and the function and how this thing actually works. So right now it's plugged in. It has about a 6-foot electrical cord. So just know that that does limit your length from your plug unless you have an extension cord. It has this really kind of custom looking plug in it right here, and it plugs into the front of the unit. So knowing that as well, you can position yourself to the plug that's going to make most sense for you. It does have a little bit of weight to it, and that's needed because of the action that it's going to see. It also has these really nice rubber feet on the bottom. Let me see here how I'm so disoriented. It also has these really nice rubber feet on the bottom right here, so it's not going to slip around on you when you're getting exercise on it. So let's go ahead and place this thing down. And now that we have it plugged in, when it's not turned on, it's going to give you these 4 bars. Now, physically, other features of it is you have this handle right here, so it's easy to carry around. You also have the pedals that have some nice grip on them, and you can flip these pedals upside down just in case you need to service the wheel. It does come with some solid grease, and it says, I've never had to do this, but it says sometimes you need to put grease on these wheels if they do get a little bit noisy, but I haven't experienced that at all. And these wheels run on this track right here that give it a little bump as you exercise. It also has a pocket back here. Let's see if we can see that. This pocket is for the remote control. Now the remote control is crucial because when you're using it, if you want to change any of the settings, you don't want to have to bend over to actually use the settings right here on the panel. It's all right here. It's all right here on the remote for you as well. Now let's talk about the panel. So when it's plugged in but it's not on, you have these 4 bars. You can hit start stop to get it started. And HR means an automatic program, or a manual program, I'm sorry. And this manual program, you can choose the speed, the distance, the time, all of that sort of stuff. There's also what they have called programs, and you can do the mode. And that's program 1, program 2, and program 3. In the owner's manual, it'll tell you exactly what those programs do. So as you can see on program 3, it starts moving. And I'm just going to stop that for just a second. So function is going to let you choose, do you want to display your time, your distance, your speed, your counter, or your step counter, or your calories burnt. So that's pretty cool. And direction, you can change the direction. So you don't have all of the same movement. You can reverse that movement, and I'll show you that in just a second as well. And then you also have speed. And speed, I'll show you when it's moving and running as well in just a second. So I'm going to hop on this thing and just show you exactly how it works and how I use the remote when I'm on it. So the remote here, I'm going to hold down here so that you can see the remote. On the remote, we have a power button, so you can turn it off. And again, when it's plugged in, you get those 4 bars, but it's not on. You turn it on. You also have start stop. You have the direction, so you can change the direction, and the mode. So this is either automatic or manual mode, or those P through 3. And then you also have function again. So that's going to be the unit which you want to measure your workout with. And then you have an up down on the speed. So I'm just going to turn this on. I'm going to start it by the remote, and that starts. And it starts very slow and easy. And then of course, because it's in manual, I can push the speed up and I can turn the speed up. So we're speed 9, speed 10, 11, 12, and 12 is the highest that it will go. Okay, and then if I want to, I can switch it over to a program. I can change the direction of the pedals. So if I hit this direction, it'll stop the pedals and it will change the direction for me. Now I'm going the opposite direction to obviously change the workout that I'm getting. And then of course, right now it's displaying time, so you can see it counting up. I can do distance, I can do speed. It's showing me the speed that we're going is 12. And then here's my step counter. Oh, got a little out of rhythm there. So it's counting each step that I do. And then I can also do calorie counting. So these are the calories that I would be burning in the exercise. So then I'm gonna go ahead and hit stop. I can hit to stop, I can either hit stop or I can hit power, and it's gonna automatically stop the unit for me. So my friends, I hope this has been helpful in understanding how to use this unit and what it's like to actually use it, and all of the features that it provides and some of those things that you should know before you buy it.